Hey guys, today I'm going to be putting some LED headlights in the Traverse. The low beam burned down on one of them. All I'm doing is putting in the low beam today. That's mainly all I use unless we're going down, dark roads and high beams. But I'm just going to try these out. They got great reviews on Amazon. They come with a few things here. The bulb is comes with Allen wrenches and zip ties, but they kind of come with its own power supply or power inverter, and then the plug, and then the actual bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to take out the headlights, and we'll see how this goes. So you do need to remove this cover. I've got this little tool here to pop these loose. So here we can kind of come close here. So basically all you need to do is get up underneath here, pop that up just a little bit, and then these just pop right out. So you can do it with a screwdriver, you just end up damaging a lot of these. So it's not the best. I'll set them up there, get them out of the way. The other thing you need to do is disconnect this little, it's just a plastic grommet that goes into the hole here, so just so you don't break them. So now you guys can see back here, this is the low beam right here. The high beam is clear back there, and if you had little tiny hands you may be able to get it out of there, but I can just get my fingertips back there, and that is not quite enough room. So this headlight is going to have to come out. I'm going to undo these Torx here and release the grill area. Okay, so let me show you here. So if you guys look right up here, there's one 8mm bolt there, and then there's a Torx right here, and then there's one more that is right here. You can kind of see it right there. So you just undo those. That'll disconnect the inner fender here, but there's more bolts down below underneath this valance here that mount the rest of this inner fender, but I'm just hoping to get this enough where I can pry this off. Same bolts. So now here, I'm just going to lightly pull out, just on the edge here, just lightly, it'll pop loose. You want to be careful to not pull too much because you'll break these. See, now everything's kind of loose besides the underside. So I can let the underside just hang while I get to these bolts here. So now let me show you what bolts I'm talking about. So I'm going to show you here. We've got this bolt here, that bolt there. Then we've got this yellow bolt right there. There's on that yellow fitting there, adjustment. There's one bolt right there. And then there's one here. And then right here behind the fender, there's this bolt here that'll unbolt the edge of the headlight. And I'm going to undo that bolt to loosen up the fender. So that's the bolt I was talking about. You need to undo that bolt. And then these two bolts up here to move the fender out where we can access the whole headlight. So I'm going to go ahead and hurry and do that. I just kind of wanted to walk you guys through. And then the other two bolts I need to get with the wrench. And with that radiator cap in the way, tends to make it tough. Get that guy out of there. So now, if you guys just double check and you guys can see. So now you can just lightly pull this fender back a little bit. And then you can kind of just bring this guy out like so. Unplug the harness. So right here, just the one harness on here. And that's how you take out the headlight. So, like I said, I'm gonna, before I put these back in, since I've got the whole thing apart, I'm gonna sand these down with about 800 grit, 600 grit, probably 800. I'm gonna sand them down, and then what I'm gonna do is spray some clear coat over the top of them, and that'll get rid of this oxidization. So it's oxidized right now from the sun, just being old and weathered. So I'm just gonna basically sand them down. We'll clear them, let them dry for a day, and then I'll put these headlights back in. All right, hey guys, so refinished the headlights. They look brand new. Sprayed a layer of clear coat over the top of them. Well, like 6 coats of clear, but they look great, not foggy anymore. I just painted them like 5 hours ago, so you can leave fingerprints, so we're going to be very gentle on installing them, but I'm very happy with them. They look really good. I got the LEDs installed. Let's see how they come along. There's the other side. Looks great. I'm gonna just get them kind of lightly put in, make sure they work, and before I spend all the time. You guys can kind of see how tight that is. I take the radiator cap just to get me a little bit more, but this little wrench, that's the only way I could really do it with this ratcheting wrench. I mean, I've got like just a slight movement. Kind of a pain, but better than other taking the core support out. So all right, before I put the bumper on, I just wanted to show you one more time. So there is the bolt for the headlight that mounts to the fender, and then this is the bolt I undid to undo this bracket from the fender, so I could pull the fender out. So I wanted to show you that before I put it back on. I know I showed it to you earlier, but I just wanted to show you that, and then I still got to tighten up these, but the fender's all realigned to where it was. I left some marks. I left some marks right here and here, so that way I knew where it was at. But we'll go ahead and continue. Hey guys, got the headlights done. Was a lot of work. I'm gonna post what tools I used. The picture will just be right here in the corner, and it's a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a T20 Torx, an extension, and you can't forget the clip removal tool. And you really don't have to have an impact driver, but it just made things quicker. And don't forget the 10mm wrench. But guys, I hope you liked the video. I hope this helps you guys out, because it's not an easy job. I mean, it just takes some time, so don't plan on a 5-minute job like normal headlights. But hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and thank you guys. And if you want to get notifications, hit the bell, and make sure to share these videos. I appreciate it. Thank you guys.